This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. Confirm your TV supports HDR and is set to a game or standard picture mode. Once done, plug an HDMI 2.0+ cable into a known 4K HDR port on the TV. Avoid converters. You should power up the Ps4, sign into your profile, and temporarily disable rest mode to prevent sleep interruptions while you test. This ensures the console can negotiate HDR with the display. Otherwise, the system may default to SDR and you won't get accurate results. You navigate to Settings, then Sound and Screen, and open Video Output Settings to make changes. Next, set resolution to 2160p on a Ps4 Pro. On a base Ps4, keep the highest supported resolution and toggle HDR to automatic or on. Once HDR is enabled, launch an HDR-capable game or streaming app to check image behavior. Make sure you watch dark shadow detail and highlight clipping. These clues tell you whether tone mapping and signal levels are negotiated correctly between the Ps4 and TV. You now fine-tune the picture. Adjust TV HDR brightness, contrast, and black level to recover shadow detail and avoid blown highlights. If artifacts persist, make sure to try a different HDMI port or cable, and if needed, reset the Ps4 video output settings to force redetection. Once done, test another HDR source, like a 4K HDR stream, to determine whether the TV or Ps4 is the issue. If problems remain, a single troubleshooting tip. Factory reset TV picture settings, then re-enable HDR to clear incorrect presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.